Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. My name is Rashid, and in this video I am going to tell you how to apply family visa in Japan. This will be describing all the contents and how you are going to proceed to apply your family COE certificate of eligibility in Japan, call your family in Japan. So let's proceed. First of all, I listed the documents which you required from your home country and all those documents which you required from the Japan. Before calling your family here, please make sure you are 100% sure that you want to invite your family based on your own risk. That's just it. The list of documents. First of all, you need the marriage registration certificate, and it should be attested from Ministry of Foreign Affairs office from your home country. Then the family registration certificate, FRC. Normally in Pakistan it is received from the Nadra. Once you are registered your family in the Nadra, then they can provide you the family registration certificate. It will be based on your nikah nama or the marriage certificate. So you have to register your marriage in the Nadra registration method. Then the third one is your nikah nama or the marriage certificate, which is normally in Urdu, must be translated to English, and it should be also attested from the MOFA. Then the fourth one is the Urdu nikah nama. It should also be attested from the MOFA. You don't need any further translation of this one. This is the original. You need to get attestation from the MOFA as well. So only these four documents you have to get MOFA attestation. MOFA is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs office. So it is also located in Lahore and Islamabad and Karachi as well. So whatever is convenience for you, you can get it from there. So only these four documents required Ministry of Foreign Affairs attestation from your home country. Further, fifth documents you need your spouse ID card copy, your spouse passport copy, spouse picture with bare head, 2" by 2". At least you need 2 pictures, and please note you only need the copies. You don't need the original certificates. You can get by copy, by email, or by scan copies. Either side is okay. Make sure you don't need original copies of any document. So what are the documents you need to prepare from Japan? First of all, you have to take the residence certificate, which is normally received from the ward office. It costs only 300 yen. Then the scholarship certificate, and if you are working in some kind of organization, you need the salary certificate from your organization, your passport copy, your residence card copy, and further your university card copy. For example, if you are a student, you need to prepare your university card copy as well. Your bank book and complete application, and also I think you need the scholarship certificate, which I mentioned in the numbers 9, scholarship certificate, and then you need the complete application form, which is available at the MOFA website, and you can easily download it from there. If you write the Ministry of Foreign Affairs Japan, and you can go to their website, you can get easily their application. So please note the application in Japan for submission of the certificate of eligibility is different than the application you are applying in your home country. I will be giving the link of that application as well. So once you prepare all sort of the documents, you don't need to bring your own original passport with you. You just take the bundle of the copy and visit the immigration office in your area. Each prefecture is having the immigration office, but if you are nearby the Tokyo, then my suggestion and recommendation is to go to the Tokyo Regional Immigration Office, which is located in Shinagawa. If you will Google the immigration office Shinagawa, it immediately will show you and you can go there. What time you should visit the immigration office? Reach there around 9 to 10 a.m. early morning. And once you are there, right now because of the COVID-19, they are preparing and making the lines. However, once you reach inside, they will check all of your documents. If the documents are all right, you don't have to prepare any further thing. All the documents are in the application attachment. Then you need a one return letter, a small envelope with postal stamps. For example, they are going to send you the certificate of eligibility by post, and they need a small letter. You don't have to take the bigger one because they don't accept the bigger one. And do not buy it beforehand. There is a Lawson, and you can buy that stamps and letter from the Lawson. Once they verify the documents, they will request you to buy the envelope, and you can easily buy from the Lawson store within that area, within that office. It is easy. Don't buy it beforehand. Maybe sometime you will waste your money because it is not up to the requirements. Then after giving you the letter to them, they will give you the receipt of submission of application. Normally it takes 90 days maximum to issue the certificate of eligibility, and it varies from time to time. And right now because of the COVID, they are immediately issuing. There is no rush and there is no busy schedule of them for issuing the new visas. They just issue within 7 to 8 days, and sometime in the peak time, for example when there are a lot of visitors to come here and a lot of people applying the visa, they take it normally 1 month, 2 months, sometime even 3 months, and in exceptional case more than 3 months as well. But after 90 days you can pressurize them, you can call them, you can request them to issue your visa because you already exceed their limit. For example, if the days are past more than 90 days, you can call them on their given number and you can ask them either reject or accept, but please return my visa to me. So make sure you should be polite to them because they are polite, and you will get your visa earlier. So once you got your certificate of eligibility, for example, in this I will add one more thing. For example, if you are applying for your whole family, you have kids, then you have to prepare your family registration certificate of the kids as well, because the kids will be enlisted your family registration certificate, number one. And secondly, you need the passport of your kids and picture of your kids. The application will be separate for your wife, your kid, and all those kids. Just it is addition of the application, their picture, their passport, and family registration certificate where the kids will be also enlisted. So rest of all the documents are the same. You don't have to prepare any additional documents. So now coming back to after receiving the certificate of eligibility, you are going to apply the visa of your family. Means your family is going to apply their visa at home country. What the documents they need I enlisted. All complete application which is accessible from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs office in your home country. I give the link of Pakistan Ministry of Foreign Affairs office of Japan in Pakistan. They need the original certificate of eligibility which is being received in the Japan. You have to send it by post to them. Letter of grantee which is also accessible from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs Japan office website. You have to provide a letter of grantee like all the expenses, all the requirements you are going to fulfill of your family here. Airline reservation, it is just a reservation. Make sure you are just making some reservation and take the print, and if you cannot take the print, the shortcut is just take the screenshot and put it on the Word file and you can crop it. Just adjust it. Sometimes the airline does not allow to print the reservation, so in this way you can take the screenshot of that form of airline reservation and you can print it. And during the COVID-19 they need the track record. and track record will be prepared from the Japan. For example, if you are working in your organization, they are giving the responsibility like this person is going to fulfill all the Japanese rule regulation set. So once your family is coming, they will be in quarantine, they will be isolated for 14 days, they will not use the public transport, they will not go outside for the groceries, they will try to isolate themselves as much as possible, and they will install one line application where the immigration officers can track the passenger. So all these applications requirements, you are going to give consent to your organization. In case of university, you are giving this consent to the graduate school office. They will prepare a track record for you. They gave it, but you have to provide them the surety. So all these 5 documents plus the previous documents. Now you are going to visit the embassy of Japan in your home country, for example. Let's proceed. I will be giving the detail of those documents. All the original documents you have, all your passport, original passport, your pictures, set of copies, all the documents from 1 to 13 plus these 5 documents I listed just before. You have to take all these documents plus the original documents when you are going to apply the visa at Embassy of Japan in your home country. Then time to apply the visa at embassy is early morning from 9 to 11. So kindly reach the embassy office sharp 9 o'clock or 9:30 maximum. So you will be having plenty of time to apply your visa. Once you are in, they will entertain you, but if you are late, then the 11 o'clock they will not allow you to enter inside the embassy, and all your day will be wasted, and you have to manage all the accommodation if you are traveling from out of the location. So it will be problematic. Make sure you reach there around 9 o'clock early morning, and to make necessary requirements to approach the embassy. And reach there before time. If something need to print, for example, you have enough time, you can print those requirements. If they have some objection, they ask you something to prepare. Make sure you also take 2 pictures over there. The pictures should be having the white background or the blue background. And processing of visa at home country, they will take an interview. Normally they conduct interview at the same time, but sometimes they call for later on, they call also for an interview, but it is exceptional. They normally ask you a couple of things at the same time while you are submitting the application, but there is a possibility they can call you for interview later on as well. Normally for processing the visa it take 1 to 2 weeks, so you don't have to call. They will ask you and they will inform you. They are going to call you to inform to collect your passport. They will not call you like you got your visa or not, but they will call you, please collect your passport. So collection of the visa time is different from the submission of application. The collection time is 1 o'clock afternoon to 4 o'clock. So in these 3 hours you can collect your visa. Application time is early morning and collection of your passport is afternoon. So please make sure of this difference. Anyone from your siblings or parents, they can collect your visa on behalf of you. You just have to make your authority letter, give them your original ID card, make authority letter. Authority letter you just can write like, here I certify like this and this can collect my visa on behalf of me. Write down your name, signature, and give them the ID card. They can show your ID card and they can collect your visa or passport from the embassy. So that's all, and best of luck, and thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any comments and suggestions, and if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. I will try to answer your question. And thank you very much. Stay blessed and best of luck.